number one, access has improved, quality has definitely improved. We are aiming at excellent schools. And then it's also important for us to talk about not only basic infrastructure, we've also given training for the school teachers because training is very, very important. Of course, all of them are qualified. They go through a teacher training program. They come with B.Ed and different kinds of qualifications to improve. So there are two important aspects which are important when you are talking about education, and particularly Alutla we have taken care not only resources, infrastructure, good classrooms, good playground, good labs, good library, good computer lab. We are already having about 50 computers there for students to have it, and we are going to be developing bigger computer labs so that students can have access to computer education.